Hi guys, welcome to Distraka channel guys. So guys, who are not subscribe my channel can subscribe my channel. And any question about the smart campaign, you can ask me clearly under the comment box. Recently, I received the 2-3 calls and a WhatsApp message. Due to some reasons, I'm not give reply and I not give answer also. Any related kind questions, you can always connect with my WhatsApp by this email also. So anyone looking for smart campaign, I explain here. Smart campaign, what is the purpose of mainly smart campaign? So any website, if you are using the website that is called AdWords. Smart campaign before smart campaign, the call name is called Google AdWords Express. The smart campaign main purpose, which is Google map will be create. Suspend one, we can leave it. Which map will be created on Google? That map will be promoted through smart campaign will be here. When you go to campaign option, there are a lot of goals are there. When you click the goals, here they're not supporting for smart campaign. When coming to smart campaign, they're promoting call to your business, visit your shop friend, action on your website. In this website, we can add your YouTube link also. Website not mandatory. So website is compulsory mandatory for to promoting for smart campaign. Not like that. Smart campaign mainly focused by the to generating for leads through your Google Maps. So here, there is only no need from the particular website. There is only for call to business, visit your shop and action to your website. So smart campaign, there is a Google Ad Express mainly focused by the we can promote a business without website also. That you can promote YouTube channel, anything will be possible. So suppose I'm not promoting website, what happened for this? They will promote for your Google My Business. So you can target only for Google My Business, visit your shop friend. Your focus on the calls, call to your business. Action on your website. If you are focus on website like with Google My Business, go with the third option. In this, I have set any option will be based on your things. So I'll selecting for here action to website with website without website. I'll show you here. In this, suppose I don't have a website, but I'm selecting website option. How we can create the campaign? So here, what are the map you will be select here? That all maps will be given this option. So, so these are all the maps. So here, how many maps are there? All maps will be here. So right now I'm selecting this one of the map here. Click for next. Without map, we can't create the smart campaign. So keep it on mind. Anyone say for Google My Business map, nothing but smart campaign option. Here, your business profile, optimize your ad or your website. Which one you can promote here? Your business profile, here is the profile option will be here. You check the preview. So preview also will be exist. You can show to the customers. So what is the preview will be here? This is promoting for your training option or else your website. In this website, if you not your link, you can go to promote your profile also. Click for next. In this campaign, completely change compared to the previous option. This ad visible by the mobile and desktop version. So finally, click for next. Select your proper headline 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So show your call button option, add your phone number, show your location ad. So I'm not visible this all option. So here we'll be adding for digital marketing, website, design development. So here and simple option. Okay. Your option. Here, I'm not adding any phone number, any address location. Click for next. I only promote my business profile without website. So here, what are the keywords are mostly used? Use the particular keyword option. That is the most relevant on your particular things. Here. The best result, you're adding for 7 to 10 keywords compulsory. So keep it in mind to add the 7 to 10 keywords. Okay, here address will be English. Click for next. So after adding the keyword, advertise near address up to how many kilometers? Up to 65 kilometers. We can start with 5 and with 65 and target up to 25 kilometers or 23. Specify pin code, cities and region. So we can promoting for country, state, everything. But I am promoting for local audience, my nearby Google Map audience. Click for next option. Is a final status, add your budget daily wise. 497 daily range here. So custom budget, we can selecting for 70 rupees, not accepted. 80 rupees, not accepted. 150 rupees, not accepted. 485 rupees, accepted. 450 rupees, accepted. 300 rupees, not accepted. 330, not accepted. 380, accepted. 370, accepted. 360, not accepted. 365, not accepted. 370. So minimum starting range will be custom budget daily will be 370 rupees minimum run. Duration. Continue to run will be here. Select end date also. You can mention specific end date. So that will be finished by when it will be data required for finish end date. So daily 370 rupees will be continue to run ad will be first option. Second will be select your end date option. So guys, here what are the options are needed? You can select this option will be complete. Compared to the previous and new option completely change. So finally click for next. The complete overview here. So finally in this click for next option. That is called the finally go to the campaign option. The campaign will be started here, particular things. Here, pending. So once approved, you can approve by the here. Or else you can stop this campaign. Only pause campaign will be here. So they can ask you here, particular feedback question. Now you can pause the campaign. He asking for feedback form. If interested, fill up this or else close it. So these are the compulsory creating for smart campaign by using Google My Business location wise. Without my Google My Business, we can't create the smart campaign app. That is the compulsory will be follow the rules and conditions, your budget, create the smart campaign and promote your business through your Google My Business option. Without website, you can create the Google AdWords that is called smart campaign with map and compulsory need by Google AdWords smart campaign, the dependent by the Google Maps option. Any further query or any question will be here about the smart campaign. You can always contact my channel. I definitely will be support how to create the smart campaign. Daily budget minimum we can go with the 500 best, but 370 they will accept it by go with the best budget with the 500. Previous they can't mention the end date. Now they will mention end date or run continuously. Two option will be eligible. So if you not mention end date, anytime the ad will be paused, anytime will be run the particular run continuously campaign. So that option will be useful. Anytime will be run, anytime will be stop purpose. So any question about smart campaign, You can always ask my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.